Hi y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing this package that I got from Louis Vuitton. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so I decided to put on my gloves to open this package because I wasn't sure if it came from France, Italy, even in the United States. We still want to be practicing some precautions when handling packages. And so here is the item that I bought, and it is a 6 key holder. I have been searching high and low for this SLG that when I saw it on the website, I went ahead and purchased it. I was definitely looking for one that had the brown inside or magnet, and as you can see, I did go ahead and have it hot stamped. And I did notice a little bit of an order coming from the package as far as like the dust bag that it came in. I don't know if it was because I had initially sprayed it with Lysol and had it sitting at my front door for a couple of days before I decided to open it. And so I definitely wanted the gold hardware. I wanted the monogram. As I've always said with all of my Louis Vuitton purchases, I want to have items that I can intertwine with each other that won't be too much of a differentiation of the pattern. And so I took out the little inserts, which are the code to the item, and then also the textile card. And this item was made in France, and it came rather quickly. I would say it took maybe 5 or 6 days. I know in the past when I've ordered stuff from the Louis Vuitton website that it takes usually weeks for me to get the item. But I really am glad that I was able to find this, and I'm looking forward to seeing how many keys I'll actually be able to put on this item. As you may or may not know, I have 3 key fobs that I carry with me each day, and this purchase just made sense to me because I just always throw them at the bottom of my purse. But anyway, that is my unboxing, and time to throw these gloves away. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.